Hi everybody, my name is J.W.A. Adams and today I want to talk to you about something. Recently I installed Pixel Gun and I have played it before, but recently I installed it and thinking I'm gonna just return to what I was before, it took me to another time. It loaded up a different save. So pretend or actually I am level 4 on my tablet, but here when I loaded it up Google Play or Google Game, or whatever it is, automatically loaded a level 3 profile, and you're about to see it right now. And it's just dumb how you put all that time and effort, and I've got guns, I've got everything. And I'm sure there's proof. But just look there, I am level 3 now, no? I've unlocked only these two are showing up. But in actual fact, I had this gun unlocked. I had my sword unlocked. I even had my bow unlocked. I had my own cape and had my own skin. And I was level 4 most in fact. I had a lot of friends too. It only shows I have one friend now. And you're thinking, wait, he didn't do it. But look here, log out. Log out. Okay? Log in and I'm in my right profile now. I even load that and it shows me my profile. This profile I can respect it's level 3 on this profile, but my Facebook profile is level 4. But why does it only load the Google Play? So I sent a support message on the top right, and I'm going to show you that I have proof that I am in fact, if I can just find where Gmail is. Okay, there we go. I have actual fact proof. This is so stupid. I have to start all over again getting along. So I sent this message. So I reinstalled my game and used my J.W.A. Adamson profile and logged in with Facebook. I then synced to the database. It then said I have stuff in the inventory and I'm level 3 when I should be level 4. And I lost a large portion of guns I already own. I want my level 4 back and my multiplayer stats and weapons. This isn't something from the Facebook. How does it? Why does it show only half? Um, I've won a battle in Pixel 3D. Normally it just shows that I got level 4 and everything. Let me see if I can download it quick. Do I have it? Yes. You see, I've reached that level on Pixel Gun 3D on my J.W.A. Adamson profile. And if you think that I'm lying, this is my J.W.A. Adamson profile. Yet, they're logged in my Google Play account. So I don't understand what is going on. Really, guys. This is so stupid that you they log in your Google Play and everything that you've done on Facebook is now gone. So now I have to start all over with Google Play. I loaded in my other save from my tablet. I took that save and I put it in here. Nothing. I tried logging out of Google Play, doing it again, nothing. I don't understand. This is so stupid. Pixel gun is so stupid. I'm telling you now, it's so stupid. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching my struggle. Maybe this video will get a lot of likes and maybe people will notice that Pixel gun is stupid. I mean, the save option. The game is awesome, but the stupid save option. I lost everything, and I need to start all over again. It's not worth my time or my money to spend to get those new guns that I already had. Oh well. This is just a continuation of the pain I felt, and look what I did. I told the developers, look at that, read this. There's everybody else's shit, but read that. Screensaver if you need to, because I don't have much time to lollygag on this. Look at this. If I don't get responses on this, I'm gonna be pissed. I mean, this is to the community I'm showing now. Fuck everyone else. I'm gonna show this to the community. Okay, no, it's not me. I even post something on, but when you post something, post, and now I redo that, and nothing. They allow who sees the post. This is really dumb of the developers. Screw this game.